Okay, so to test the application, first we need to follow the README. Since I have ran already all the installation requirements, we can skip a couple of steps. But first, make sure to set up a virtual environment, set it up, install the requirements, and make sure to generate the 4 gigabyte file since it was not pushed to GitHub. And as you can see, I have already generated it here. And to try the first approach, we need to first make sure we are on the correct directory, which I am here. And I have already generated the correct certification, so I don't need to do that. But for testing, you must do that. And then first we set up the receiver, and it will listen on this port. And then we move over here to another terminal. We will now run the sender, and it has established the connection, and it will now start transferring, and it has received the correct bin. And now we test out the hash to see if the correct hashing, if the files are the same hash, to ensure that they are the same, and check the integrity of the said file. And while this generates, we can move over. Oh, it's generating already. So here is the hash for the test, the original 4 gigabyte file, and it should print out the updated received bin that was transferred over. And as you can see here, they are the same. And so for approach B, we need to move over to the correct directory once again, generate the keys, and start up this broker. And to ensure this runs, we need to use a port that's not being used. So I'll use 9002, and I will start the sender in another terminal and ensure that the correct port is being used, 9002. And from here, we need to wait for the ID to be generated so the receiver uh, has the correct ID from the sender, which has been generated here. And so then we take this, go to a different terminal, paste it, and then we need to go back to get the correct ID. And once this is acquired, it should be able to set up and transfer the file. And then once that has been sent over, we can once again check the hash. Okay, so it has been received, and now we check the hash. The hash of the original test bin. And the one that was received and transferred over.